Okay, we've already learned the numbers and the expression of date. Then we're gonna learn how to ask about the special date. For example, what's the date? What's the date? Okay, in Korean it's 며칠입니까? 며칠입니까? 며칠. What does it mean? 며칠 means date. When you ask about the date, you use 며칠. Or you ask how many days, we can still use 며칠. How many days? 기원, someone is 3일, 3일, like this. So here, what's the date? 며칠입니까? Actually, if you don't tell others it's today, yesterday, or tomorrow, we're gonna take it as today. But if you want to show them specifically, then you will tell them it's today or tomorrow or yesterday. Okay, look at the words. Today, 오늘, 오늘. Tomorrow, 내일, 내일. Okay, yesterday, 어제, 어제. So let's put them into the sentence. For example, what's the date yesterday? What's the date tomorrow? Okay, so here is the subject. And we have a marker of subject. We should use 은 or 는. So if there is final consonant, we use 은, final consonant. 미도서것, 잘, 은, 잘, 은. For example, 오늘 미도서것, we use 은. 내일, same, we use 은. But for example, this one, no final consonant, my 미도서것, we use 는, 는. So 은 and 는 is the symbol of the subject, So let's fill the sentence. What's the date today? 오늘은 며칠입니까? Okay, tomorrow. 내일은 며칠입니까? Okay, yesterday. 어제는 며칠입니까? So pay attention to 은 or 는. Which situation we use 은 and which situation we use 는. Okay, so then next, if you want to ask when is the birthday, when is the graduation ceremony, when is the wedding, you can still use 며칠입니까? But here the subject becomes to birthday, wedding, graduation ceremony. So you should say 생일은 며칠입니까? 생일은 며칠입니까? Graduation ceremony. Okay, let's look at this character. 식. 식 means ceremony. Some ceremony. So here, if you graduate in Korean is 졸, okay, then up. So graduation ceremony, put them together. This one, okay, if this one doesn't make sound, my 억시양, so we put them together. We can read it as 졸업, 졸업식, 졸업식. Why? Because this one, my 억시양, no sound, don't make sound. So graduation ceremony is 졸업식. Okay, now how about wedding? Wedding, the same ceremony. And how about get married? get married. In Korean, get married is 결, then 혼, 혼, 결혼, then because it's like a ceremony, right? So the wedding is 결혼식, 결혼식. Like I told you last time, this consonant is like this one. It just make a very weak sound, so we can take it as it doesn't make sound. So same, we can put the consonant and the vowel together. So 겨, and this one together. 결혼, 결혼. So we can read it as 결혼, 결혼. Why? Why? Because this one, this hu, it just makes a very weak sound. So we can just ignore it. 결혼, 결혼. If you can remember, read it as 결혼 is okay. 결혼, 결혼. Or put them together really quickly. 결혼, 결혼, 결혼식, 결혼식. So how to ask about when is your birthday? 생일은 며칠입니까? When is the graduation ceremony? 졸업식은 며칠입니까? When is the wedding? 결혼식은 며칠입니까? So this one we still use 은 because there is final consonant. 졸업식은 며칠입니까? 결혼식 며칠입니까? 결혼식은 며칠입니까? Like this. Okay. Or we can use this one. 언제. 언제. It's like mulai in ภาษาไทย. So 언제 means when. So you can still use when is your birthday. So we can change 며칠 into 언제. 언제. For example, when is the birthday? 생일은 언제입니까? 생일은 언제입니까? You can change. Okay, next. What day is it? Here it asks about the week, the day of the week. I know the day of the week, we call it 요일. So the question should be, what 요일? What 요일 is it? So in Korean, it's 무슨 요일입니까? 무슨 요일입니까? 무슨 means what. So what 요일? 무슨 요일입니까? So the answer, 화요일, 목요일입니다. Like this. Or if you want to ask about some special date, for example, tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? So it's 내일은 무슨 요일입니까? Where to put it? Here. What day is tomorrow? 내일은 무슨 요일입니까? Okay. Then, what day is the wedding? You can say 결혼식. 결혼식은 무슨 요일입니까? 무슨 요일입니까? So you can change the words as you want. If you ask about the birthday, you change the word into 생일. If you ask about the wedding, change the word into 결혼식. 결혼식. Okay, for example, this one, it's birthday, right? Birthday. 생일, 생일. Okay, for example, when is teacher's birthday? When is teacher's birthday? So first one, when. Like I just told you, it's 언제입니까? When. Or which day? 며칠입니까? 언제입니까? 며칠입니까? What? Teacher's birthday. The order in Korean is the same as the English. So we speak teacher first. Teacher, 선생님. This one.ภาษาไทยของ then Korean is a. For example, mine. 나의. So here, teachers, 선생님 A. 선생님 A. Then birthday. Birthday is 생일. So teacher's birthday. 선생님의 생일. 선생님의 생일. Then this part is the subject, right? So I said we should use one word to show this part is the subject, which is 는 or 은. So here, the last character, there is final consonant. So we use 은. So the full sentence is 선생님의 생일은 언제입니까? Or you can choose 며칠입니까? For example, suppose it's like this. Suppose it's June 14th. So we can answer the question. June, we should speak months first. June, you were. Then 14일. And we know the week, the day of the week. So we can say the full sentence, 화요일. 화요일. So you were 14일, you were 14일 화요일입니다. Okay, one more time. When is teacher's birthday? 선생님의 생일은 언제입니까? June 16th. So it's you were 14일입니다. And if you know which day, for example, Monday, Tuesday, you can put in the sentence, 화요일입니다. Then how about this one? Is graduation ceremony, right? For example, this girl, her name is Anna. 이름이 안나입니다. 이름이 안나입니다. So if we want to ask, when is Anna's graduation ceremony? So the same. When, 언제입니까? Or 며칠입니까? 언제입니까? 며칠입니까? What? Anna's graduation ceremony. So the same. Same with English. Anna. Korean is A. 안나의 graduation ceremony. 졸업식. Then this is the subject. We use 은 or 는. Choose one. Here we use 은. 보아 미 도와서 것. 안나의 졸업식은 언제입니까? Suppose it's this day. So it should be October 26th. So month first. Month. October. 10월. Then date. 26. Okay, can you remember? I said if 10 and 6 together, you should change. 16. So 10월 26일입니다. 10월 26일입니다. Okay, so when is the graduation ceremony? 졸업식은 언제입니까? Okay, last one. This guy, suppose this guy, his name is Jin. 이름이 진입니다. Okay, so when is Jin's wedding? Same. 언제입니까? Jin's wedding. Jin, A. 징의 wedding. 결혼, 땡안, 결혼. Then ceremony, 식, so 결혼식, or sorry, I typed it wrong. It should be 결혼식, 징의 결혼식. Then subject, we use 은. 징의 결혼식은 언제입니까? Okay, suppose this day. So it's August 8th. So 8월 8일입니다. 8월 8일입니다. Okay, so now you got it. How to ask about some special date. We should use when. The question is 언제이니까 or 며칠이니까. And the next day, you just only change the words. It's wedding or birthday, just change the words. Okay, now, you know, no matter it is the wedding or the graduation ceremony or the birthday, they are all good things, right? So you should say, oh, congratulations if you go there, right? So how to say congratulations in Korean? I think maybe most of you have listened that song, the birthday song, the Korean version, 생일 축하합니다, right? So congratulations in Korean, it's, how about the pronunciation? It's chu. Like I told you, this one almost no sound. So we put this part and this part together, and we should change the pronunciation a little bit into k, ka. So it's 축하하다. This is the base form of this verb. This is the base form. But if we want to show our polite, it's not a polite way. Like I told you how to express the polite, we use 미다, or 씁니다. So here we should change which one. We should choose which one. Yes, here. Look, this part. This part is the base. So we should check the last character. If there is final consonant or not. Final consonant or not. We check the base. This is the base part. The final character. This one. Okay, if there is final consonant or no final consonant. So no final consonant. So we choose 니다. 니다. So you should change into 축하합니다. The pronunciation is 합니다. 합니다. Change a little bit. 합니다. So it's 축하합니다. 축하합니다. So how about the birthday song? Birthday is 생일. So happy birthday to you is 생일 축하합니다. So the song is 생일 축하합니다. Like this. Okay. Then if you go to the wedding or the graduation ceremony, how do we say? We should say, for example, wedding. 결혼. Get married. It means get married. Congratulations. 축하합니다. So It's 결혼 축하합니다. 결혼 축하합니다. How about the graduation? Graduate. 졸업. 졸업. So, congratulations. 졸업 축하합니다. 졸업 축하합니다. So, how to congratulate others? 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday. 결혼 축하합니다. 졸업 축하합니다. Like this. So, what's our homework this week? What's our homework? Homework in Korean is 숙제. 숙제가 무엇입니까? Okay. Now we have to make conversations according to the pictures. There are 10 pictures. You have to make conversations according to the pictures. For example, the first one, you should ask, what is the mobile phone number? Then answer it. Number 2, what's the telephone number? And then answer it. So there are 10 pictures in total. So you have to make 10 short conversations. Of course, if you have confidence, you can do it yourself. If you don't have confidence, okay, let's do it together. Okay, so first one, we have to ask about the number. What's the sentence? Number, 번호. 번호. What? 무엇입니까? So what's the number? 번호가 무엇입니까? 번호가 무엇입니까? So if you want to ask about the mobile phone, so mobile phone number is 핸드폰. 핸드폰. Then number, 번호. So what's the sentence? 핸드폰 번호가 무엇입니까? 핸드폰 번호가 무엇입니까? Like this. Then answer. Then, if you want to ask about the telephone, so it should be 전화 번호가 무엇입니까? 전화 번호가 무엇입니까? Like this. Then answer. Then if you want to ask about the car number, car. So the car is 자동차, or you can just say 차. 차 means road. 차. So car number. 차 번호. 차 번호가 무엇입니까? Then answer it. So the three pictures we should ask with this sentence. blah blah 번호가 무엇입니까? This one. 핸드폰 번호가 무엇입니까? This one. 전화 번호가 무엇입니까? This one. 차 번호가 무엇입니까? Then answer. what입니다. what입니다. Okay. Then next. If you want to ask about which grade, which class are you in, or which floor are you in, are you on? So we should use this sentence. 몇 means how many. 입니까? For example, 몇, how many. If you want to ask about the grade, grade, 유찬아의, so it should be 몇 학년입니까? 몇 학년입니까? If you want to ask about the class, 학년, so it's 몇 반입니까? 몇 반입니까? If you want to ask about the number, what's your number in your class? It's 몇 번입니까? 몇 번입니까? 몇 번입니까? Okay. Then, if you want to ask about the floor, which floor? 몇 층입니까? 몇층이니까. Okay, so now about the grade. We know we have elementary school, middle school, high school, and university. Can you guys remember? So school is 학교, 학교. Then how about elementary school? Elementary school. 보는 등보호 is 초등학교. 초등학교. Okay, then middle school, M1 to M3. Middle school is 중학교, 중학교. Then high school, M4 to M6 is 고등학교, 고등학교. Okay, how about university? University is 대학교, 대학교. Can you guys remember? So now let's try to do the conversations about this one. Ask about the grade. So we should use which one? This one. So 몇 학년이니까, 몇 학년이니까. Suppose it's M6. How to answer M6 here? So it should be 고등학교. 고등학교. 몇 학년? 몇 학년? 고등학교. Okay, M6, it should be the third year. So it's 고등학교 3학년. Okay, this one. Ask about the class. Class. Which one we should use? Class. Use 반. So 몇 반이니까, 몇 반이니까. Next one. Number. Number. We should use 번. 몇 번이니까, 몇 번이니까. Next one. Floor. Which one? Floor. 층. So the question is 몇 층이니까, 몇 층이니까. Okay, how about the answer? You just say 입니다. For example, 10번입니다. 10번입니다. 5층입니다. Like this. Okay, so the four pictures we should ask with this sentence. 몇이니까? Okay, the last three pictures. when, 언제, 언제. So we should we ask about when is some special date. For example, when's your birthday? Just put it here. When's your birthday? 생일은 언제입니까? Wedding, 결혼식은 언제입니까? Then graduation, 졸업식은 언제입니까? Okay, so that's the pictures. That's the pictures. They should answer which day. There are dates. Dates. So you guys got it? Okay, that's today's class. See you next time. Bye.